How to connect Airtable to n8n. So in order to connect those, just head over first to your actual workflow. I have in here this trigger event, and let's proceed to add an action event. To do that, click on this plus icon, and then from in there, you can proceed to click on the search nodes. So let's search in here for Airtable. So here it is right here. Proceed to click on that, and then you can just choose right here what kind of action you want added. For this, let's create the record. So let's click on this right here. Now, once you have done that, it will show you this. So just click on this select credential, click on this create new, and you can just choose access token or OAuth in order to connect that right here. So we have in here this URL. You can just enter the URL above when prompted to enter an OAuth callback or a redirect URL. So first set up your actual Airtable in order to get access to your personal account. You can also choose right here this token in order to get the access token from your Airtable directly. Once you're done, head over and save those changes you have made. Once you're in there, just choose into the resource, the operation, which is create, and then from the list, just choose what kind of list you want, as well as the table, mapping, and links. Once you're done, just click on execute step or head back to your canvas. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.